Hello, my name is I.P. Frehly, and this is my popcorn maker. It is an ordinary popcorn maker, one that you can buy at Walmart or any big box store. However, I believe that this particular popcorn maker has been possessed by the spirit of a young girl who was burned alive. Now, I do not know how this came to be. I don't know the backstory on this popcorn maker. I bought it at Walmart and it was marked down. But that's all I know. However, every time I turn on this popcorn maker, I hear the spirit of a young girl screaming in anguish as she is being burned alive inside the popcorn maker. This lasts for approximately 10 seconds. Then she fades away as if being dragged into the netherworld. I will now demonstrate this for you so that you may hear the sound of a young girl being burned alive before being dragged down into hell. And here we go. Plugging it in. And there you have it, folks. The spirit of a young girl being burned alive inside this popcorn maker. Thank you.